In this video, I'm going to explain how I created a document of HTML using the required elements like doc type HTML, meta, body, head, div, paragraph and all. It requires some dummy text and like headings, subheadings and a box. The required output should be in this format, which contains a heading 1, subheading and external links and internal links, phone links, email links and ordered and non-ordered list and a table creation. For this I created a program. Here I used the title. Title tag is used for when you open a web page, the title will be shown up on the web page where the browsing goes on. And here the meta tag is used. Here meta tag is used for showing the metadata, where it gives the screen modifications, and head tag is closed over here. The head is completed. And going for the body. In the body, this all contains the body. In body tag is used where you can give all the required data what you want to give in the particular web page, the body of the page. And here div is used for div tag is used for making the whole web page as a box, the particular text into a box. And here I used h1 is used for the header, where you will get a particular size of the particular that given text, and I aligned it to the left, align equal to left, where it can be aligned to left, right or center. And all the social issue, I gave it as a social issue as a heading. And next I gave the h4, which is a lesser size than h1. The headers will be from h1 to h6. I used h4 here. And over here p tag is used a paragraph, where the whole text will be considered as a paragraph. It gives in the paragraph alignment. And I gave some text regarding the poverty, which goes on like this. After this I used for another heading tag, so that I can list out all the details which are their problems in India. So I used the paragraph tag for listing all the details. And after this I gave an external link. In this external link I used anchor tag. Anchor tag used for giving any web address. And href, hyperlink reference, is used for referring the particular HTTP address in this particular web page. And here when I gave this is the HTTP address which I have given, and this is the text which I have given over in between anchor opening and closing tag, where when you click on this particular text in the web page, you will be targeted to this particular website and you will be giving the output. And I give target equal to blank, so that it will be moved into some other web page and so open. And here for the next line I used is paragraph with next one.html. I refer it to the next one, which is my other HTML page which I have created. Just a simple text where you will have some details about the poverty, where it goes to internal link. It acts as the internal link. And this is like again I use the href anchor tag for sending a mail, where I gave mail to jessicaprice@gmail.com. This is a mail address. And this is the text. If I click on this will be referred to this particular mail, and you can be able to send the mail to that particular mail address. And here I gave phone number, and I made the phone number as a link. This is the number I gave, and when you click on this particular number, this will be moved on to this particular link, where it goes to the Wikipedia of the poverty, where it has details of the poverty, and Google page. And after that I went to the clickable image, where I downloaded an image and I copied it and I pasted in the site root in the projects, so that when I want the particular image, it will be shown in the web page. Here I gave image source, img src source, that image name, and if this image is not present, it goes to alternative image to jpg, where it is present in the project. And I gave the width is 50 and height is equal to 50, where the width and height of the image is set and the image is shown in that particular width. And when I click this image, I referred this image to the particular website. I used anchor tag with href, where it goes to that particular website. And in the second heading line, for the second subheading I used poverty, where I have to give some text. After that I created ordered and unordered list. Over here ordered list, where here the Nagaland, Jammu and Andhra will come under the ordered list, where under the Nagaland I'll make it an unordered list, where this lack of rains will come in the due to unordered link. If you want to create, you can enter it and give us a link and give some to due to population, and it contains it goes to the list of the unordered list, which is shown as unordered. And here this is the list of ordered list, this Jammu, and for the Jammu this is the unordered list where I have created, and I close the ordered list tag. This is how the list is created, ordered and ordered. And for the third subheading, I gave a table. I created a table where I give some paragraph text where some details about the poverty. And in the table, I created a table tag. Table tag is used for creating a table. And I gave border equal to 2, so that the table borders are shown with the width of 2. And here table heading. I use table heading. And here I gave call span is equal to 4, which is used for combining 4 columns together as a heading. I gave the heading as list of students, where these 4 columns are combined together as a particular one row. For creating a row, you have to we have to use tr, table row, and th is used for table heading, where the table heading, the 4 columns I give as serial number, name, register number, department. You can give one more column, but only these 4 columns will be combined as a list of students, remaining will not be combined. And for the entering the details, I created the second row tr, and I used the td for entering the data in this table data. And here I serial number, name, register number, and in the this line I use row span is equal to 2. As a department I gave CSE, and I combined 2 rows such that the 2 students belong to the same department, so I used row span is equal to 2, so that the 2 details will be coming as the same. And the third details I gave, and for entering the second data, I didn't give the department name because I already included this department in the first row span 2. So it's not necessary to write the again department name in this. And in the third row, I enter the details for which has a different department. I have to give department name because only here the 2 rows are clubbed, not the 3. And again I gave the 4 details. I close the table tag, div tag, and body tag, and HTML tag. This is the whole program contains. And when I run the file, it moves to the browser, and this is the output of the required output, which has a heading 1, which has a main heading and subheading and details about that, and other subheading where I get it h4, and these are details I have given. And this is the external link which I use. When I click on here, it goes to the other web page link where you can see the details of it. And when you go for the next page, this I used for the internal link where it is moved to the next one.html page. And this is a phone number. When you click on it, it will goes to the Google page. It's loading. It goes on the Google page. I gave this link, and this is the second one. The next one is a clickable image, where when you click this image, you will get to that particular website where it goes and gives the details about the poverty. And in this next subheading, I use poverty, in which you can see the ordered list and unordered list over here. Nagaland, Jammu and Andhra as ordered list, and the regions as unordered list. And in the third subheading, I use the table, and in this I gave some text, and I created a table which is I used a column span of 4 rows, where this give a list of students, combined the 4 rows, and I gave the 4 names of serial number, name, register number, and department, where I enter the data. And here the 2 rows are combined using row span is equal to 2 with the same department, and last one is the department. This is how the output it looks like for this particular program. Thank you.